Right, I bought this today, something I've been looking for a long time. It's a Carlton. I'm not sure what model it is, but it's got, as you can see, the chrome frame. There's the Carlton badge. I used to have one of these. I got bought one when I was at school at the age of 11, Carlton Cobra. So I don't know if this is actually a Carlton Cobra, but mine did have the chrome frame. This has got some really nice pieces on it. It was built up as a fixie by the relatives of the guy I bought it from. It was his mum's, and she had it converted and some new wheels put on. I believe that's a campag crank. It's definitely campag pedals. What else have we got here? We've got Wyman brakes. They've put derailleur levers on there, and then a charge handlebar and a charge seat. You can see it's in pink because, say, this is mum's. All in all, an interesting frame, which I've been looking for a long time. A chrome Carlton frame. It's been painted around the bottom bracket there, I think to hide obviously some rust, but the rest of the frame is in pretty good nick. And I noticed it's got a campag headset, so some nice bits on there. I shall look forward to returning this to drop bars and 5-speed. It's got the little nub there that I can put the downtube shifters against, and I'll stick a proper stem in there, Sinelli I think I've got, or a 3T, and some nice drop bars. So look forward to playing about with that one.